want to share a small tour with you. Guess how to use it. This is a water gun, just look like a toy. It can be used for cleaning and watering. It is very light and it is suitable for assembly of various faucets. The head of the gun can be rotated, and the water volume can be adjusted arbitrarily. If you want to water flowers and trees, you can turn it down and spray it. If you want to wash your car or do some other cleaning, you can turn it up to increase the impact of the water column. Its material is PP, so you don't worry that it will scratch your car when you wash the car. Now I can wash my car with it by myself. I like this tool with wonderful design. I am going to use it to bath my dog, Peter now. I think Peter will like it too.